Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm gonna unbox this true wireless stereo wireless earbuds. So guys, I do exercise almost every day, and because I was using earphones, it was creating a lot of trouble. Like you can understand, when you run fast, sometimes it slips from your ears and you are all sort of these problems. So my intention was not to just buy an earphone, but something that I can use for exercising as well. Like it should be having a good grip over ears. So that's why I have ordered. This cost $45, and it has a as per the advertisement, it has good battery backup of more than I think 20 hours. I'm not sure of the exact number. So let me unbox it. So after first level of unboxing, this is what I see. Warranty I do have. Okay, and let me take it out. So this is the actual holder that I can and this holder, just don't throw it, because when you charge you got to put the wire here. Okay, so this you can charge with USB, so I can connect it to my laptop and I can use. So see, this is the reason I have purchased it. Like with this holder I can I can get good grip on my ear. See the shape. This will help you to hold this while you do exercising, so that you focus on exercise, not the on the grip of your earbuds. We have one for both the ears, and they have also given us a charger. I mean a charging cable, of course not the plug point. So I'm gonna take that out for you. Okay, so here I have charging cable as well as some extra accessories, like extra ear holder plus earbud, so that you have good stock in case anything goes bad. So that's good. All right, so I'm gonna charge it now and then I'm gonna use it. So thanks for watching this guys. And moreover, one more point, this is waterproof, because when you do exercise your body produces a lot of sweating, so you want to get through it, right? So that's why I ordered this waterproof stuff. So thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.